There go the alarm. Time to come out now. Let me grab my stuff so I can get to the microwave. Damn, I can't never be first. 10 people ahead of me already? What y'all did? Flew to the kitchen? That smells good in here. Renee, what you making? I'm making some stir fry. Like, you put a little bit of mayonnaise in here, and then you put it in the microwave. You melt it for a few minutes. Seconds, like 15 seconds. Then you come back, you put your rice in here, and you stir it all in, let it get nice and oily, you know what I'm saying? And then I put it back in the microwave, and I let it just sit for a little bit. So in other words, you're going to be here all day. Stir that in, add a little bit of water. You got to watch it, just a little bit of water. Add my seasonings in there, put it back in, come back, stir it some more, add a little bit more water, and it starts to fry. I'm definitely about to starve waiting for this bitch. Oh, how you know how to do that? Girl, I've been jailing since 97. I know how to make pizza, burritos, even cheesecake. I can show you how to do some stuff. You doing too much. It's 48 women in here, and we all gotta cook in this microwave. Nah, I'm good. I ain't gonna be here that long. Soup and sausage, that's good enough for me. Hey girl, you got a suit? You can loan me $2 every day? I'm gonna give it right back to you. I don't, oh wait, you still owe me $5. Yeah, you owe me about $5 now. She know damn well ain't nobody putting no money on her books. She been saying that same thing for 8 weeks. You mind if I cut in front of you? Because I just need to heat up my coffee. It's only gonna take a minute. Shorty good. She go in front of me. I ain't ready yet. That's Crystal girlfriend. She always hold a spot for her. She about to get off work now. She coming back from the kitchen. She be sneaking food back. That's why she really waiting for her. Is it my turn yet? What? Where you come from? You wasn't even here when I came in here. What you mean? I was on the phone. I was the first one in here when the bell rang. Oh, see my bowl on the table? Damn, you was going a long time. Did you eat? Hell no. They done started fighting in the kitchen. I ain't even eat yet. And we about to be on lockdown. You hear that alarm? You got some chips?